Here I have OnePlus Nord N30, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, you can select video coding format, and yeah. So to start recording, just tap on this on this button once. Here, tap allow, and after that this kind of menu appears. Here you can also switch sound settings. So by tapping on the red buttons, recording starts immediately. So here you can see front camera view. You can pause the recording by tapping on this pause button, then you can play it again. And after you're done recording, tap on this tick icon here, and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the photos, to the album called videos and screenshots. It will be in both of these albums. And here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your recording, and perform other actions like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.